So here's our pump, and when we turn it on, we've been using it off only until we water, and when we turn it on it'll start up, but it keeps going. Talked to Cam about it in December, and I mean, it does pump stuff, that's fine. Louise uses it for watering. We turn the inlet off, there's no change. So regardless of whether it's got feed or not, it just keeps going. So Louise forgot about it, left it on, and a couple of hours later I came and found it going, turned it off. All of that was too hot to touch. So we've got some issue there, we don't know what it is. So we've just been using it to water the garden by hand. More power than normal.